First of all, I would like to wish you, and I have already wished you, good afternoon to all of you and all the distinguished members who are present over here and deserving me and providing me such a wonderful platform which is completely congested with very distinguished members. Our honorable chief guest, Professor Vindeswar Das, and I'm very privileged to putting my some significant words in front of you under guidance of such a distinguished members, and I am very grateful to in front of him. And I am also very grateful to the director of Paradise Crash Course Center, who deserved me that Nirala is deserving for this post. So I would like to invite him, and he invited me, and I have come here to guide you. Whatever the subjects, whatever the tasks, I would be allotted from him. I will put my 100%. I try my best to make you understand in very easy way and very different way and unique way. Okay, and most of the things our chief guest explained that there is a big difference between a study and reading. Okay, so you need to understand these things. And the first and foremost things which he talks about limitations, liability, accountability, which means responsibility, you need to understand it. He also talks about discipline, which you need to follow if you want to score better. And most of the students or the students who particularly join crash course only in the purpose of in the perspective of scoring better and better marks. But our chief guest explained it very clearly that you can score better marks, but what can you do in future? He very politely explained in front of us that if someone write 5 pages and someone write 2 pages, and someone who wrote 5 pages after intimating from some guest paper or some any assignment, and someone who wrote himself or herself, I prefer to give better marks those who has written 2 pages, not 5 pages. So you need to understand all these things. Okay, so we have a lot of distinguished members who will keep their words over here. Okay, and I have also some health issues, and I have some lack of time, so I could not say something more over here. Okay, and whatever our chief guests have tried to make you understand, you have to catch it and you have to observe it if you want to do something future. I, along with my friends, Tinku sir, okay, who is the director of this coaching, how privileged he feel that he, along with his father, is a student of same professor, and how that particular person feel honor that I am going to such institute where whose son is also my student and father is also a student. Okay, and after all, finally he said that those are students who follow discipline, who follow whatever he suggested to his students, they go a lot of ahead unexpectedly in their lives. They did unexpected things in life. Someone becomes doctors, someone becomes engineers, someone becomes politicians, and well-known, renowned politicians. So, my students, okay, finally I would like to conclude my speech with saying something. Okay, from today you have to be very disciplined, you have to be very active, and you have to work with sincerity, and whatever the guidance, whatever the materials, whatever the things you would be taught by your teachers, you have to observe. Definitely you will get better in future. And finally, I would like to come on the point. We need to understand what is difference between a study and reading. You have to understand there should be no any obstacles, there should be no any hardship in future which can stop you to going ahead. Okay, so being this sentence and words, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you very much giving me such wonderful opportunity.